Hello everyone, my name is Roshni Gorathe. Today is 14 December. Today's topic name is array in Java. First we see what is array. An array is a collection of similar element type which has contiguous memory location. One variable can store uh, many values. The array is a object which stored similar type of element. The structure of array is we can store same data type of element in array. uh, in array there is we can store same type of element in contiguous memory location. In array we can store only fixed size of element. In array there is most important point is array index is start with 0, means first value stored at the zeroth position, zeroth index, and second value is stored one first index, and so on. Then we can use primitive values or object in array in Java, like C++. We can create single dimensional and multi-dimensional array. Then Java provide feature anonymous array, which is not available in C and C++. Then we see advantages and disadvantages of array. First we see advantages of array. In that first code optimization, in that it required to write less code. Then second, random access. In that we can get data location at the index position. Then we see disadvantages of array. There is only one disadvantages. Its size limit, means we can store only fixed size of element. We cannot grows the element at the runtime. Then we see syntax of array. The syntax of array is first a data type, then array name of array, then square bracket, then is equal to, then new, then data type, and in bracket size. Then we see types of array. There are two types of array in Java. First is single dimensional array, and second is multi-dimensional array. First we see single dimensional array. The single dimensional array, an array with one dimension called as one dimensional array or a single dimensional array. The single dimensional array is represents first one column and rows. Rows which share common name. The example of a single dimensional array is marks obtained by student in 5 subject. We can write single dimensional array. Then we see multi-dimensional array. The multi-dimensional array is nothing but the array of arrays. Array of arrays. Multi-dimensional array mostly used in table values with rows and column. In short, multi-dimensional array contains all the contents of single dimensional array. The example of multi-dimensional array is egg tray. We can store eggs, rows and column. Then data type used in arrays, in character, etc. Then dimensional is first one dimensional and two dimensional. Thank you.